Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. On August 5th, 2024, the defense in the matter styled as Idaho versus Kohberger filed its 16th supplemental discovery request seeking the production of items and things in discovery from the state of Idaho. If you read this document, and you can do so if you follow the link that I have provided to you in the description to this podcast episode, you will see that this document begins with a recitation of legal authority, including various amendments to the United States Constitution and also legal authority pursuant to Idaho Rules of Court and the Idaho State Constitution. Mr. Kohberger then states that the items he is requesting of the state of Idaho is described in an attached Exhibit O. It is signed by Ms. Ann Taylor, who is lead counsel to Mr. Kohberger, and there is a notation also attached to this 16th supplemental discovery request that Exhibit O is filed under seal, just like all of Mr. Kohberger's prior discovery requests were filed under seal, and just like all of the state's responses to any and all of Mr. Kohberger's discovery requests were also filed under seal. And what does this mean? That when these requests were served and when they were responded to, the items responsive to both were kept from the public. So the public has, to this date, and I am recording this in early September 2024, been without notice at the time of these filings of what it was that Mr. Kohberger felt was in the possession, custody, or control of the state of Idaho that was relevant to his defense of the charges that were brought against him, and likewise the responses to those discovery requests were withheld from the public docket, leading to the effect that the public has been completely without notice at the time of the filing what Mr. Kohberger requested and what the state responded to in discovery. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.